When the Albert app shows more than one account connection, the fix usually starts by checking which account is linked and removing any connection you no longer use. By the end, you'll know how to identify duplicate account links in Albert, what steps to try when an old account keeps appearing, and what to do if the app still shows the wrong information. First, check the connected accounts inside the Albert app. Multiple accounts can appear when you have changed banks, connected a different login, or linked more than one account from the same financial institution. Review each account listed and confirm which one you actually want to use. If you see an account you no longer need, look for the option to disconnect or remove that connection. Removing an outdated connection can help prevent confusion when viewing your account information, or using Albert features connected to your bank data. If the wrong account is still showing, update your bank connection. Open the Account Settings area and look for options related to managing linked accounts or reconnecting your financial institution. Reconnecting can refresh the information Albert receives from your bank. Another step is checking whether you are signed into the correct Albert profile. Using a different email address or login method can sometimes create confusion because the app may be connected to a different account history. If you recently changed banks, make sure the new bank account is fully connected before removing the old one. This helps you avoid losing access to the account information you still need. If these steps do not fix the issue, contact Albert support through the app. Include details about what you see, such as whether the duplicate account is old, incorrect, or impossible to remove. Clear details help support understand the problem faster. The main points are simple. First, review every connected account in Albert. Second, remove or refresh connections you no longer need. And third, check that you are using the correct Albert login. Your next step is to open Albert, check your linked accounts, and update anything that does not match your current banking setup. If this guide helped you fix your Albert account issue, subscribe for more step-by-step app fixes and money management guides.